Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Bodybuilder. And that is what we're going to be doing today. Stage 20, or pack 23 and stages 89 to 92 of the Porsche 917KH by IXO. Check their website out, ixo.com, ixocollections.com. And you'll get to this. If I look at through the build guides today, it isn't too bad. We're making a door again like the previous time, with the hinges and the windows and the door itself, and putting it onto the frame that is right here. Button to open it, window screen wiper. I have it, but I haven't put it in because it's very breakable. In stage 90 we're getting a big part out. That you cannot see me, as you can see right there, very big part. We're putting something over it and connecting it together with the part that we have right there, as you can see. And then we're just going to put some vents on it for the right and the left hand side, and a green light, which you did not see, but you'll see when we put it on. And then in 92 we just put some flaps on, some winglets. Sorry about that, that's 98, because we didn't do it last time. 88, sorry, we didn't do it last time. I've got 98 here, which is the pack that we're doing, but we're actually doing two packs in one. We've got it all together. So this is from pack 88, which we didn't do anything with, so I brought it in again, and we get a lot of stuff. So I'm going to put this away. All right, you're going to stay there. So we've got this beautiful door which we can put the number on, but I didn't do that on the, oh, it was already on the other side, but I need to have a good look how this one is done. All right, we're getting that one out, getting these parts out. Let me just get a little cups, and I think I have two of them, a thinner and let's see which one I have to get. The thicker one, 98L. No, I need the thinner one, because the thicker one we're going to use somewhere else. Let's see where we use that one. Yeah, we're going to use that somewhere else. So we're getting the thinner of the two springs out, and then we've got a longer and a shorter pin, 98, and we're getting the longer pin out. So we're getting that one out, and we're putting that into that position there. We're turning it around, putting that pin over it, putting that spring over that pin. Then we're getting that one out, and it should be over like so. Then we're getting this one out, that's the shorter of the two. Does it matter from which side? I'm going to do it as they do in the picture. Let me put a little bit of tape on the back side of that, so that thing stays in. So I got the pin in. Now it's a question of pushing it through. There it is. Then on that pin we're putting that little, well, you want it with a small pipe, silverish pipe, which is actually the knob. I think I need to clean this one up a bit, because it's actually has some burrs on it. That is much better. That spring works and it moves. Okay, so let me just show you what I've done. there on that little silver part that has the hook on it, you need to clean up the sides here and the sides of where the pipe thing goes through, because that is the only way it's easily movable, as you can see here. Let's get that out. So we put that in right there, and we put an IM in there. Get that IM out, and it's an M screw, so we're gonna get that oil out for a bit of making it easier. Now let's see if that hatch works, that hatch mechanism. As you can see, it works superb. There we go. Now we're going to turn it around, put that one on, and it stays in really nicely. We're going to get those really tiny QMs out. There we go. Then we've got that whole QMs. We've got this one we're going to put in right there. That's actually staying in properly, so it's a push to fit. We're putting the hinge on right there, then putting that silver part over it, and I think it's like so. Yeah. Then we're gonna put a RM in one and a M and with that spring. All right, let's get the spring out, and the NM, pretty large screw, long screw I should say. All right, that hinges in, as you can see right there. That one, that one, and that one. Na 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 na. I've taken the wrong hinge. That is the hinge that should go there, and this one should go here. That one on. There's a lot of rubbish on the end, which makes it hard for this thing to go in there. So I'm going to file that off a bit. And let's see what we put in those two. J. Alright, so we've put that one in as well. We did put that in already. That's slightly looser. Looser-gooser. So we're going to get the door out, which we have right here. And we're going to put it in carefully. Make sure it's hooked in. That's the best way to make sure you get the right connection. BMs right there and there, and then that should be okay. This is going to be a lovely car. I like the coloring. You see that with the McLaren team as well. As they have Golf, they use those colors as well. Now let's see if we can open it up. I think that works superbly. First stage done. Let's see what we do in the next one. We do have to put that very tiny little thing in, and right there you can see that it's in. Okay, we're keeping this one here because we're doing stuff on this side, so I'm gonna get this off now. And which is the massive part. Look at that. That is beautiful. So you can't see it. Well, you can see it right here. That is beautiful. Then we get these out. they need to be put on like so. I'll show you what I mean by that. And you may hear some ventilators in the background. It's still quite hot. I don't want to turn them off. So we put that on, and we're going to turn it around, and we're going to put some stickers over this area. All right, and then this fits in like that. Do I need anything? Yeah, I need the last part because we're going to be working on this. Let's turn it around because we're putting stuff in here in stage number 91, because that's the next stage that we're doing, like so. It's black on black. Oh, you can see on this camera. It's pretty darn neatly in there. Then we can put some screws into those 4 holes, and they are the IM screws. Here you go. All IMs are in there. Let's see how we work this one. Okay, test fitted that to see how that fits in. And you have a cut-off side because that fits in with that edge there. So let's get that sticker off. So it's in there. Just push it on all the way around, and that should fit, as you can see right there. So this is what we have in the last stage. Hydration. We push them on like so. I think we need to turn this around. And 2 KM screws on either side. This goes out higher up than the bodywork goes, so you might want to hold it before you break that thing. So hold it up and then screw it in, and that is what we have at the end of that. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? With a fully closed front. Both doors are on, and you still need to put the sticker on, but I'm putting that on when I have the lower side as well, so yeah, it's better to orientate it then. Okay, that's that stage completely done. As you can see right there, these are the parts. Steve McQueen is here as well, and you can see that there. That is this pack done of the Porsche. So no more to do. It was a short one and not too much to do, so I really hope you enjoyed it. Please join me next time on any of my other builds. There are quite a few there, as you can see, but check out my channel. You'll see how much I have and how much I've done already. I'm gonna clean this up and start a new build. You'll see this quite quickly on well, you wouldn't see the difference. So please like, subscribe and pass it on, and as I said before, check out my channel. There's quite a bit of there are quite a bit of very nice builds there. Hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.